phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a sure good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today.
Hello again, jolly children. Welcome back to another edition of our Jolly Phonics video lessons. I'm Jolly Uche. Here are my friends Inky and Bee. Today, we're going to be learning a new letter sound. Before we begin, I'm going to flash some sounds and let's revise what they sound like. Are you ready? Let's go. Here is my first sound. Jolly children, what sound is this? Ow. That's good. Can we say it again? Ow. What is the action for the sound ow? Ow. My next sound is this sound. Jolly children, what sound is this? Can we say that together? And again, Please show me the action for the sound That is great. Okay, jolly children, today I have a new sound to tell you all about. Before we begin, I want to tell you my story. Are you ready to hear my story? Okay, my friend was throwing a barbecue. He wanted to invite so many of his friends. So he walked into the classroom and said, I would like to have a barbecue, and I'm inviting you and you and you. Can you say you and you and you? You and you and you. Jolly children, this is the sound you. Can you say you? You. Let's say it again together. You. And what is the action for the sound you? Pretend you are pointing to your friends to invite each of them to your barbecue and say you, you, you. You, you, you. Fantastic. Okay, jolly children. Now I want us to learn how to write the sound you. To write you, start at a point, make a downward stroke, go under the bridge, come up and down with a flick. Start at a point again, make a dash outward, go up over the bridge, come down, round and stop. Shall we try writing that again? To write you, start at a point, make a stroke down, go under the bridge, come up, down with a flick. Start at a point again. Start at a point again, make a dash outward, go up over the bridge, down, round, and stop. Jolly children, please put up your magic pencil and let us try writing the sound you in the air. I'll do the first one and then you can join me after. Are you ready? Okay, jolly children. To write the sound you, start at a point, come down, go under the bridge, up, down with a flick. Start at a point again, make a dash outward, go over the bridge, come down, round, and stop. Let's try writing that together. Magic pencils up. Let's go. To write you, start at a point, make a stroke down, round, under the bridge, go up and stop with a flick. Start at a point again, make a dash outward, up over the bridge, round and stop. Okay, jolly children, I hope you got that right. Let us also try writing the sound you in our Jolly Phonics Pupils Book 1. Here is my pencil. To write the sound you, start at a point, make a stroke down, go under the bridge, go up and stop with a flick. Start at a point again, make a dash outward, go over the bridge, round, and stop. Let's try writing the sound U without the dotted lines. To write U, start at a point, go down, under the bridge, come up, and stop with a flick. Start at a point again, make a dash outward, go over the bridge, round, and stop. Wasn't that easy? Okay, jolly children. Next up, we have some words to blend using the letter sounds. Are you ready? Let's read these words together. Our first word is right here. When I put my pencil on the sound button, please call out the sound for me. Jolly children, what sound is this? What sound is this? U. And what sound is this? Can we try blending the sounds together to read the word? U. Fuel. Again. Fuel. A bit faster now. Fuel. 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 Jolly children, here is our next word for blending. Jolly children, what sound is this? S. And this one? T. How about this one? A. And this? T. The final sound? U. Let's try blending the sounds together and read the word. St. A. T. U. A bit faster now. Sta. T. U. Again. Statue. Statue. Jolly children, that was great. Give yourselves a sound clap. Okay, jolly children. Once again, we have come to our sounding section. I'm going to show you 4 pictures, and you have to identify the one that does not have the U sound in it. Are you ready? Okay. Jolly children, this is a picture of a drum. Can you say drum? Drum. Can you hear the sound U when I say drum? No. So what do? We cross it out. All crossed out. The next picture is a picture of a rescue. Can you say rescue? Rescue. Can you hear the sound U when we say rescue? Yes. Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end? At the end. That was good. This picture is a picture of a statue. Can you say statue? Statue. Can you hear the sound U when I say statue? Yes. Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end? At the end. Our final picture is a picture of fuel. This is a jerry can of fuel. Can you say fuel? Fuel. Jolly children, do you hear the sound U when I say fuel? Yes. Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end? At the middle. Jolly children, you're doing great. Let's give ourselves another sound clap. Okay, jolly children, it's time to bring out your exercise books and your pencils. Let us spell some words together. Are you ready? Let's go. First, children, spell the sound U. U. Jolly children, now spell the word value. Value. U. I'll take that again. Children, spell the sound U. U. Now spell the word value. V-A-L-U. Value. I hope you got that right. Jolly, jolly children, we have come to the end of another sound lesson. I'm so glad you joined me. I hope you learned something new. Now we're going to listen to our Jolly Phonics song for the sound U. I'm going to leave you at this point and say bye-bye to you and you and you. Bye.
I'd like to have a barbecue, you. I'd like to have a barbecue with you and you and you.
Jolly Phonics for every child today. Jolly Phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly Phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly Phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly Phonics for every child today. Jolly Phonics for me and you.
S for sun, A for ants, T for tennis, E for ink, P for pat, N for nip. Jolly Phonics for me and you. K for cat, E for egg, H for hen, R for rat, M for men, D for